Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Manuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. And today we're gonna look at a screen recorder called PodCastle screen recorder. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm already in the Google search page here. So I'm gonna quickly search for PodCastle screen recorder. Alright, so here is the website for PodCastle.ai. I'm gonna quickly click here. There you go. This is the website for PodCastle screen recorder, and as the name suggests, it is mostly for podcasts and video interviews. So mostly the products are related to podcasts. You can revise and remove noises, and also you have a silence removal option, which is great for audio podcasting. Alright, so I'm just gonna quickly hover over to the tools here. As you can see, there is an option for transcription. You can actually transcribe your text from audio or from voice or from an MP3 file, or also you have an audio translator. You can create podcast transcriptions as well here. Alright, in the recording section, we've got podcast recording. Mostly these are related to the podcasts. So under resources also, if you could see, there is podcasting, removing background noise and stuff like that. So I think PodCastle is more about audio podcasting, and they have included the screen recording as a recent addition. Okay, having said that, I'm gonna show you the user cases where you could find their customers. Alright, so I just wanted to talk to you about the pricing. So the basic price is always $0. You get 720p recording quality, and you can get to record the video for 3 hours. And the audio recording is unlimited, and you can use your Magic Dust AI powered sound enhancement for 3 times, and also the silence removal for 3 times as well, and also the leveling for 3 times. This is great actually, because most of the recording software doesn't allow that even. So let's go to the Storyteller version here, which is $3 a month paid annually, and you can get up to 4K videos, and you can record up to 8 hours, and there is no watermark. For a free version, we do have watermarks. So that's it about the Storyteller version here. Talking about the Pro version here, we've got $8 per month, and pretty much all the features are available in the Pro version. Whatever they promise to have in this screen recorder, everything is there. But my personal favorite is Pepper Cloud, you guys, because it lets you to record your screen and camera, and you can actually store it in the Pepper Cloud storage. You can also record your screen and actually share it to different video sharing platforms like Facebook. Also, you can edit your videos, you can trim your videos and create call to actions. You can actually create thumbnail as well. So I think this is great, guys. My personal driver is Pepper Cloud. I suggest you try it too. I've included the link in the description. Alright, coming back to the pricing here. If you choose to pay monthly, you can click on bill monthly, and as you can see, the prices have gone up for Storyteller and the Pro version, precisely $1. That is great. Actually, there is not much of difference. I think it's okay. The pricing is okay. Not very much to pay, and it offers pretty decent stuff. So I'm just gonna quickly visit the homepage here and click on Get Started. I'm gonna click on Continue with Google, and I'm gonna sign in with my Google account here. Alright, I'm just gonna skip for now the tutorials, and I'm gonna continue with the free plan here. Alright, this is the UI of PodCastle dashboard. I've got a notification here. Alright, it's just telling me what are the options that it has. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly close the notifications. Alright, as you can see on the top left corner here, there is a create button, and I'm gonna quickly click on the drop down box here, and I have an option to record project and recording. I'm gonna click on recording. I'm gonna give title to my recording as my first recording. And there is an interesting feature here because it lets you to actually record your videos and audios. So mostly PodCastle is about guests, so you can either select audio only or video only. So here I'm going to choose the video option here, and I'm going to click on enter studio. I'm going to allow using my microphone and my camera. All right, there you go. All right, I'm going to start my first recording here, and as you can see, it records my video feed as well as the microphone feed here. You can see the sensitivity buttons here. All right, so this is more like a video podcast and not a screen recording. I've just started the screen recording here and just started recording only my webcam here, and I don't want that to happen, so I'm just gonna quickly end it here, and I'm gonna click on the screen option here and choose the full screen and click on the share button. All right, there you go, the mirroring has started, and I've actually started to share my screen along with my webcam. Everything works fine, and I'm just starting the recording once again to have a look at how this recorder records my screen as well as webcam. All right, I think this is enough. So I'm just gonna quickly stop this video, and as you can see, my video is being uploaded here at the top right corner. 100% is complete. I'm just gonna end this recording by clicking on the end call button here, and I'm gonna exit the studio here. All right, as you can see in my dashboard, now I have 3 videos. 2 of them are my video recordings and 1 is my presentation. I can actually click here to play my presentation, or if I want to download, I can download using clicking the button here. So I'm going to quickly download this video, and I'm going to see how my recording has turned out to be. I'm going to right click and play with VLC media player. There you go. The recording is quite fantastic, guys. The quality is very nice and everything seems to work very nice. So this is pretty great, guys. This is a fantastic screen recorder. Gives you quality output with quality editing options as well. So I can actually separately edit the audio and video of my video. So I'm just gonna click on edit audio here, and as you can see here, we've got audio timelines where we can actually edit them and export it, or you can actually add new audios by clicking on the upload button over here. So you can actually add music or denoise or create the magic hand here to actually edit your audios as well. So this is a fantastic feature, guys. No video editing software actually allows you to edit the audio. So quickly I'm gonna go back to my dashboard here, and I'm gonna choose recordings, and as you can see, there are 3 recordings here. I'm going to click here, and I'm going back to the dashboard here. So I think PodCastle is a great recorder for beginners, for podcasters mainly, people who like to do video podcast and they don't have time to edit it. They can do everything here. Editing options are pretty fantastic, guys. So that's it from me, guys. Until I meet you in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care. Cheers. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.